side, if they can improve, Southwest Class is only 8 members, 8 trainees, and West Class is only 8 members, and then Eastern West is only 8 members. Only 24 are being selected for the trainings. Then in 3 districts, we have many schools. Then shortage of MTET also, shortage of teachers also. So thank you, Deputy Speaker, sirs, for allowing me to take part in this discussion. So I want to bring to the notice of the government to the West Classes problem only. So in our district, since the government is stepping up to improve the education, but in our district, we have only 1 training center. So for the Garos especially, we have only 1, we can say quota. So we have 100 schools, and we have around 200 or 300 vacancies are there. So if the government side select only 1 trainee for the diet, then how it can be possible to develop and improve the education system? This is my question. Even for the classes also, we have only 7 numbers to be selected for the training at the diet center at Nongstoin. So my question is like this. So from government side, we have 100 schools in Garo school. Even in Southwest classes also, they are being selected only 1 candidate. So they have many schools and many posts are lying in the district. Then if government side, if government wants to improve the education system and education department, at least whether government can increase the numbers of quotas to the Garos as well as Khasis. Only 6 or 7 for the Khasi schools. We have around 500, 600 schools. If every year we select only 1 candidate for the Garos, where 200 or 300 posts are lying in the district, and where Khasis also around 600, 700, 800 like this, the post is lying in the district. Then if only 7 or 1 selected for the training, how can it improve the education system? Now, according to calculation by the government, B.Ed with MTET for primary, they cannot apply for the post. Even those who have done DLED in corresponding course, they are not be applicable for the schools to apply. And then some had passed MTET, but they had not passed DLED in diet. They passed in NIOS or some corresponding course, but they cannot apply. This is also a problem in the West Kashmir Hills, and many posts will be lying vacant after 3 or 4 months. But we have no candidate because only 1 teacher had been selected for the district, especially for the Garos, and even Kashmir also only 6 or 7. And how can we improve the education system? So this is my information or apprising to the government. If government side, if they can improve, Southwest Kashmir is only 8 members, 8 trainees, and West Kashmir is only 8 members, and then Eastern West is only 8 members. Only 24 are being selected for the trainings. Then in 3 districts, we have many schools. Then shortage of MTET also, shortage of teachers also. So this is my request to the government side, at least to select more trainings to the district so that our problem will be solved. This is my request. I resume my seat.